Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear in the beginning of the song In My Blood by Shawn Mendes. To play this song we are going to need to drop D, the guitar. That's keeping all the strings in the same standard tuning, but the sixth string must be a D instead of an E. So tune down that string and let's play it. We start placing the index finger on the left hand, on the 3rd fret, on the 4th string, and we play that tone with the right hand with the thumb. And at the same time, we're going to place the pinky finger on the 5th fret, 1st string. And to play that note, it doesn't really matter if you use your index, your middle finger, or ring finger. I'm using my middle finger, but any of them works. And we play those two tones at the same time. After playing those at the same time, what we do is that we keep alternating the thumb and the high tone. We start from the thumb, but the rhythm is like this. So the tone that we play with the thumb is shorter than the one that we play with the other finger. Okay, and then when we arrive to the end of the first measure, we change the same position that we have on the left hand in a way that the index finger comes to the 5th string first fret, and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. Okay, so it's the same position, only that we move one string up and 2 frets. And there we continue with that rhythm that we did with the thumb, other finger, and we play it 4 times with the same rhythm. So when you put it together, it sounds like this. So all the time the thumb is faster than the other finger. Let's try this part together. 1, 2, 3, and let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay, and then when we arrive to the end of the second measure, what we do is that with the thumb we move to the 6th string and we play that string open. That's the string that we have tuned down to a D. Okay, on the left hand the index finger doesn't play anything now, so you can lift it or keep it there, it doesn't really matter. So when we put together the 1st, 2nd and 3rd measures, it sounds like this. We play that also 4 times. So let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, and okay, and then when we arrive to the end of the 3rd measure, what we do is that we play that 2nd string with the 3rd fret and we do a slide to the 5th fret. When we play that slide, we're not going to pick the 2nd tone. We pick only the 1st one and we do the slide. Okay. Get it? So let's try the whole from the beginning and we play the whole third measure. I show you one time. Let's try together now. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and then we arrive to the last measure, where we put again the position that we had on the second measure, but this time, as we did on the first measure, we start playing both tones at the same time. And when we arrive to that last one, we are going to skip the thumb. And there we have everything. I'm going to play one time all the four measures together. And now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... And what they do is that they keep repeating this guitar across the whole intro and verse. So let's try to play it 2 times. As soon as we play that last tone, we start again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and... again. And that was In My Blood by Shawn Mendes. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video. Thanks for watching this video and I see you in the next one.